Alright, today is, what is today? Monday, March, what is today, Mike? What is today? Monday, March what?
I'm not sure.
Anyway, it's raining cats and dogs here. And the shop is completely flooded. All down the hallway. This is where it gets like really thick, but then it starts to thin out. I think we have uneven concrete, but whatever. And then we have like a stream coming, well, that's a cobweb, but right where the cobweb goes over those two boards, there was a stream of water coming down, and you can see it. You can see the wet spot, and it was traveling down. It was almost like a stream. I just got hit again, so we've got more right there. Yep, I'm continually getting dripped on. And this is our shop for the day. So we've got a fair amount of cleaning up to do. The water's coming in here pretty fast. All right.